Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap which Porinju Veliyath has admitted to buying throughout the recent correction. This he disclosed on a recent television interview, and we'll be providing the link to the interview in the description section. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Veliyath Limited, which is available at Rs 282.10 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is WABAG. Now speaking on a recent television interview, Porinju admitted that he had been buying this stock right from 550 levels to below 300 levels. Speaking about the company, Veliyath Limited is a holding company engaged in water treatment field. The company's principal activities include design, supply, installation, construction and operational management of drinking water, wastewater treatment, industrial water treatment and desalination plants. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company had been consolidating for the first few months of the year, but since then has had a steep decline and has led to a lot of wealth erosion. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 1,541.99 crores. The EPS of 20.35 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 13.86, which is much cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 25.07. The price to book ratio of 1.68 is also very cheap. The company has a dividend yield of 1.42%, whereas the promoter holding is a bit disappointing and stands at a figure of 24.69. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.